Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Truebill, detailed guide step by step clearly. To save with Truebill, start by downloading the Truebill app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, create an account using your email address and a secure password. Next, connect your bank account by entering your login credentials. Truebill requires access to your transaction data to analyze your spending. After your bank account is connected, allow Truebill some time to sync your transaction history. Once synced, navigate to the dashboard to view your recent transactions and spending patterns. Look for the subscriptions section to see a list of all your recurring payments. Review your subscriptions carefully to identify any services you no longer use or need. For subscriptions you wish to cancel, select the appropriate option next to each one. Truebill will assist you in canceling those subscriptions directly. Next, explore the savings feature within the app. Set up a customized savings plan based on your financial goals. You can create rules to automatically transfer money into your savings. Consider setting aside a percentage of your paycheck for consistent savings. Create a monthly budget based on your income and expenses. Monitor your progress regularly to ensure you stay on track. The app will send notifications to help you manage your spending and savings goals. Utilize the financial insights provided by Truebill to make informed decisions. As your financial health improves, consider using the investment tools available in the app. Take advantage of the educational resources offered to boost your financial literacy. By staying engaged with Truebill, you can develop better financial habits. Keep reviewing your subscriptions and expenses periodically for ongoing savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.